Okay, we continue. Surface and display color. The display color is for thinking particle that I have to explain it there. Another shader, you can clear. Another shader is an earth. You can create a earth shader like this. Very simple. It's not actually earth map, but you can create a sea and land. Sea level, it's for above the sea. You can change the color of that. Lands, you can change the land color. You can make this black and white and gray and give it to the displacement with the color to create the bump if you want. Frequencies for changing the land randomness and something like that. Level, you can change the level of the sea and the land. If you want to more land, less sea, you can increase the number of the level. And here are the mountain. The lightest part going up, and then, for example, you can change the sea level to the black and give it to the displacement for creating the mountain and the holes. Okay, that's very simple.